Hi, welcome to FMTC's video series on merchant services for affiliate program managers. This is part 4, how to use FMTC's premium tools. We're so excited you signed up for premium services. After watching this video, you'll be able to take full advantage of FMTC's paid services and tools. I'll explain account basics, highlighting premium tools, and tell you how to submit your information for your newsletter inclusion and spotlight blog post, how to update your program and agency listings, send a deal alert, and push a deal into FMTC's database. eAccountable describes premium well. Our goal in building these services and tools is to help you with program and deal exposure to publishers and help you consistently and efficiently promote and manage your deals. So after your premium account is set up, whether your account is new or upgraded from freemium, you'll be auto-enrolled in our onboarding emails. Your program will be upgraded to priority processing, and your account will be assigned to a dedicated manager backed up by our full support team. Should you have signed up for the agency package, your agency listing will be upgraded with a featured banner and given priority position in the directory. Your brand or brands will be included in our next Merchant Monday Welcome social post that welcomes all new merchants to FMTC for that week. To schedule your newsletter inclusion, fill out the form. I'm going to embed the link in the video, or you can check the video summary for the link as well. You'll fill this out for each program, and if you have not yet, fill it out for your agency too. This feature includes your logo, a short blurb, and a link to your homepage. Your Spotlight blog and corresponding social post allows you to highlight your brand and program details with a full page of copy, your logo, lifestyle image, and links out to your FMTC directory listing page. The scheduler will open 3 months from your sign-up date, which means that you'll receive the form about 10 weeks after you activated your premium account. There's nothing you need to do now. You'll just fill out that form when you receive it. Our team will then review availability and schedule it for you. This feature is available to each premium program once per year, and these post weekly on Thursday. Next, I'll show you your dashboard account basics. So log into your account and follow along. I'm going to start at the bottom here. So click here on Submit an Issue to file a support ticket. And if you want to check the status of your ticket or any communication from our support team, you'll click on Support Tickets, and that'll take you to a running thread of all of those tickets. To update your account settings, click on Account and then Settings. This will allow you to review and update an account information and reset your password. If you need to make any changes to users, add or remove them from your account, the best way to do that is to file a support ticket. Click on Manage Programs and Manage Programs again. This is going to show you all of the programs that are attached to your account, and see that I have Walmart on this account, so we can review how these settings look. To update the program directory details, you'll click on the little drop-down arrow here. The default tab settings will carry over if you have multiple networks. In this case, Walmart is set up for both AvantLink and Impact, so you can see both networks here. What that means is that anything in the default tab that you fill out will carry over to both networks unless the program details and contact information are different for each network, in which case you can uncheck this box and fill out the settings for each individual network. Going back to the default tab, make sure that you have all of your contact information filled out, and take full use of all of these add copy boxes: the premium pitch, the program description, the welcome message, your public commission rate, the private commission rate opportunities, any placement bonuses or vanity coupons that are available, and click Save for any changes. Click through all of these restrictions tabs to make updates. I'll come back and explain push deals in a few minutes. If you need to make any program changes, add a program, remove a program, or if your program is migrating from one network to another, you can either file a support ticket or email us directly. If your agency is new to premium services, you can look at other agencies that are premium by clicking on Relationships and Agency Directory. You can see these agencies have a feature corner banner. They're also featured at the top of this directory list. And there are a couple of blurbs that are opened up to them as premium agencies. So click on any of these featured agencies, and you can see that description and specialties are up at the top. To submit this information, just email your account manager with both the description and the specialties, and they'll get this added to your featured listing. The final tool to set up is the browser extension. So you'll click here under Links and Tools. This will take you to a separate page where you can download that extension for Google Chrome users. Next, I'm going to show you the browser extension demo and a dashboard demo for all of the basic and premium tools. To use the browser extension, you'll just type in any URL. So I've typed in walmart.com and click on the pin for the extension. Now it could be that you're not showing the pin here, so I recommend clicking on this little extensions puzzle piece and actually pinning it to your extension so it always shows up at the top. The first page shows you all of the networks on which this URL is running an affiliate program. You can see Walmart is showing they have a program on both Impact and AvantLink. If you click on this plus tab, it will expand the details of each network, including the FMTC ID and the network ID for each network. You can also click around and look at the About tab and directly to the FMTC directory. This is a great opportunity to recruit new affiliates to your page. You do not have to be logged in to see this directory page, and this shows your home page, your logo, a description of your program, all the categories, subcategories, the geos, where it ships to, payment methods, etc. And shows a potential affiliate, the networks and the FMTC IDs. They can join directly from this page. The next tool is the Browse Deals. So click on Links and Tools and Browse Deals. This is going to show you all of the deals for all of the merchant programs you manage. So if you click this merchant, it's going to show you a drop-down whether you manage one or multiple. You don't have to choose one. You can leave this blank, and if you do, the deal search results will include all of the deals for all of the programs you manage, or you can sort by each merchant. I do want to call your attention to the rating system here. We are frequently asked, how does FMTC's rating system work? So our feed subscribers have the ability to use FMTC's proprietary quality score ranking system to make business decisions. For example, they use our ranking system to decide what to display on their sites. The range is between 0 and 25. Here are the ways to create deals, sales, and promotions that rank the best. First, include a coupon code. Next, the higher the sale, the better the rank. Sale types that do well are % off, amount off, BOGO, clearance, and free gift with purchase. Deals that include free shipping rank higher, as well as deals that are site-wide. Deals that are limited time offers score higher than evergreens. To recap, the best way to create the best content that will rank the highest in our system: include a coupon code, increase the offer threshold, include free shipping, make it a site-wide offer, no exclusions, and create a limited time offer versus an evergreen offer. I'll add some links to a tech corner on our deal ranking system and a checklist resource on creating content that converts. Check the video summary for those links. Next, let's look at the directory. This is going to be a quick one. This shows you all of the active programs in FMTC. You can search by name, network, all of the things below, and then you can sort by each of these columns here. Under Deal and Program Alerts, you can add alerts about your deals or your program, like promotions or program updates. Anytime an affiliate logs in, it's the first thing that they see on their welcome page. So these deal alerts are not only displayed in FMTC's UI, but will also be shared via social media, and that looks like on our Facebook page, looks like something like this. Whenever possible, be sure to include a social media image URL for any posts on social media. Under Manage Programs, you'll find your ongoing deals. A quick snapshot of all of the deals that do not have an end date. This will show you all of those for all of the programs that you manage. The last report is called Real-Time Reporting, and this gives you a publisher count of how many have selected each program in FMTC. Let's go back to Manage Programs because I want to show you how to push a deal directly into FMTC's data feed. So for any program you manage, click on the Details arrow and click on Push Deals, and then push a new deal into FMTC. What you're doing is actually pushing a link, any deal, directly into FMTC's database to all FMTC subscribers, or click User Exclusive and you can enter the affiliate network ID of the affiliate or affiliates that you want to push this deal to. If you got through this video and you haven't signed up for Premium yet, go back and watch part 3 of this video series that explains the whole value of Premium and what it does for you. I also explain all of the subscription options and how to subscribe today. Bookmark the login page so it's easy to return. Set up your account, familiarize yourself with all of the tools, subscribe to our newsletter, and follow us on LinkedIn. This is a 4-part video series, so again, if you got here and you haven't watched part 1, 2, or 3, I recommend going back. There are a lot of great basics of FMTC, how to use the basic accounts, and make sure you understand the full value of where we fit in to your affiliate strategy. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Have a great day.